Oh, guys, look, that's wonderful. What a herd of sheep here in the Judean mountains. Amazing. It's really incredible, unbelievable, wonderful. Wonderful, guys. And it's amazing. All the shapes, all of here in the Judean mountains. It's really unbelievable. It's unbelievable, guys. So you can commemorate way back during the time of David when he came to this